This Sukuk bond not only diversifies our investment portfolio, but also plays a crucial role in supporting affordable housing initiatives for the Kenya Defense Forces. Our commitment to solely ethical investment principles and sustainable value is unwavering, and we are excited about the future possibilities this product holds for this country. Your Excellency, as mentioned in the past, we are very intentional about contributing to the infrastructure and infrastructural development of this country, of our country. During the last event, we advised that Kenya pension funds with assets under management of over Kenya shilling 1.7 trillion as of December 2023 can contribute to infrastructure development of our country. And today's launch is a proof of concept that pension funds can indeed invest in public infrastructure. The issuance of this Sukuk is targeted towards the development of affordable housing for our Kenya Defense Forces at a competitive internal rate of return to our investors.
I am delighted to report that current government policies have enabled the capital markets in Kenya and the NSE in particular to witness a remarkable recovery that has put our country, Kenya, back on the map and attracted solid positive attention from global and institutional retail investors. The resurgence in the NSE's performance directly reflects the renewed confidence investors have in the government's economic reforms. To put it in better perspective, Your Excellency, in the first quarter of 2024, Bloomberg ranked the NSE's all-share index as the world's best performer in dollar terms out of more than 90 global benchmarks that the publication tracks, and we posted a 44.32% return in dollar terms. We are pleased to report that in the first half of the year 2024, foreign investors were net buyers of equities listed on the NSE, marking the period as the first half of the recorded foreign net inflows in the bourse since 2019, approximately 5 years ago. Further, foreign investors were net buyers of equities for the 3 consecutive months of April, May, and June 2024, for the first time in 58 months. Similarly, in the first half of 2024, the bonds market also recorded a 154% increase in turnover compared to a similar period last year, and a total volume traded of 781 billion shillings has already exceeded last year's 2023's annual trading volumes of 644 billion.
Lord, we pray for our beloved President, for his success in his leadership. May you grant him strength, grant him wisdom, courage, and good health as he leads the nation.
President of the Republic of Kenya and the Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces Securities Exchange for the bell-ringing ceremony to commemorate the listing towards the depth, breadth, and sophistication, but also paves the way for further expansion of our economy. Your Excellency, today accelerated economic growth in our country, indeed fostering financial inclusion and propelling Kenya's economic aspect, serves as the barometer of the economy. Indeed, the performance, the states of a country's capital markets provides valuable insights, economic growth, and enhancing and restoring confidence in our markets. NSE in particular, to witness best performance in dollar terms. I need to not emphasize that the benefits of the policies the government has enacted, key strategic government projects, the NSE remains a viable option for with alternative ways to raise funding for crucial projects. And in fact, we know fields and extended their business beyond the Kenyan border. So we know that there's opportunity to be found at the NSE. I take this opportunity to extend our gratitude. Here at the NSE, we go by the motto,
of time with him on a game which will remain unnamed. Through the capital market, we can be able to at least catalyze growth and help our socio-economic transformation. We have asked ourselves a few questions and given ourselves answers at the same time. We, for example, asked ourselves, how can we help PS Inga and his team at the State Department of Housing to scale the housing agenda and de-risk our housing fund? We have also asked ourselves, Your Excellency, how can we help PS Abubakar Hassan to sort out and fund our KIPES initiative and our EPZ initiative and ESZ initiatives through the capital markets and save our exchequer? We have also asked ourselves how we can help PS Patrick Mariru to sort out and scale his institutional housing. More interestingly, Your Excellency, we have also asked ourselves, how can we help our PSS and the leadership in education and healthcare to fund our social plan in both sectors? We have also asked ourselves how we can help PS Kiprono to sort out the pending bills. All these, we believe, can be sorted out through the capital markets. They can be sorted out, and we believe, through an off-balance instrument. And so we could be able to complement your initiative to accelerate our socio-economic development.
In every crisis, there's always a silver lining. And we've had a moment of challenge. Kenya has risen out of challenges before, and every time it emerges stronger. So the president is steering us out of a certain challenge. But one thing that comes out truly for Kenyans is that we are systematically building a resilient economy and a resilient nation. Our democracy is tested. Our institutions are being tested. Even the stock market here was being tested. And the fact that you are here to launch another product just shows that this level of resilience is being made stronger and stronger by the day.
The proposed privatization through an NSE will mark a decisive point in broadening Kenya's appeal to international investors and equally enhance the depth of our equity market and spillover effect on the overall financial sector of the country. Your Excellency, we are also working to build a serious domestic investor base. With partners like Safaricom, we are coming up with tools and ways to get people at the bottom of the economic pyramid to participate in market trading. To this end, we have launched SocoPlay, an automated platform that will enable Kenyans trade various securities using virtual capital and real-time data from the automated trading platform. We would like to take this even to the curriculum of schools to see that we can actually get as many Kenyans participating in investments from a very early age.
By directing investments towards the construction of over 3,000, I repeat again, over 3,000 affordable residential units for the Kenya Defense Forces, this Sukuk directly addresses a pressing national challenge, the housing deficit. This exemplifies the transformative potential of Islamic finance, demonstrating its capacity to tangibly enhance societal welfare and economic progress.